Here, Mama.
You do that.
Here.
I'm not a...
All right. Don't worry. Where's the phone at? Cheese.
Oh, Alex is messing with her. That's why I can't take a picture.
Really?
Well, you can put on the actual feet instead of
Mama.
hands. That's the problem.
What's this?
Cheese.
What a fool you are. Cheese is right. You should just braid his cheese. Cheese.
Are you videotaping me?
Yup. I'm videotaping.
Stop! Cheese.
Cheese. She's saying cheese. She's waiting for the camera.
It's not a picture. It's not a picture.
She thinks I'm taking a picture, so she's saying cheese. Careful with her, please.
Cheese. It's not a picture. Don't be turkey, God.
Cheese.
Cheese. Don't be a turkey. Cheese. It's not a picture. Okay. Don't be turkey.
See, Sis said she wouldn't videotape Mama. Aw, Mama.
It's not a picture.
Okay, Mama, let me take a picture now, okay? Hang on, Mama. Let's see.